The chicken biryani or the mutton biryani what we eat is not unhealthy, but the way we eat this biryani makes it unhealthy. Generally, how we eat this biryani? There will be a plate full of biryani. It will be having a rice as well as either the chicken pieces or the mutton pieces. That means to say, it will be having the rice, which is nothing but a carbohydrate, and chicken or mutton pieces, nothing but a animal protein. So it will be having only carbohydrates and the proteins. So you may ask, so what is the problem? We need this carbohydrate as well as the protein also. So isn't it a healthy food? What is the meaning of a healthy meal? Healthy meal is the one which contains all the essential nutrients that our body need, like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, as well as the fiber. So this biryani is having carbohydrate, excess of carbohydrate as well as excess of proteins. So but it is lacking other nutrients like vitamins, minerals, as well as the fibers. So there is a excess of something as well as the deficiency of other things. So this makes this only eating only biryani so makes it an unhealthy food. So what should be done? What are we supposed to do? How can we convert this biryani into a healthy biryani? You need to add the deficient things. So like vitamins are deficient, minerals are deficient. Again, the fiber is also not there in our non-vegetarian food. So we are supposed to add all these things. Where we will get all these things? Get all these things in vegetables. So vegetables will be having a large of quantity of vitamins, minerals as well as the fiber. So while having the non-vegetarian food, even the biryani, we are supposed to add the vegetables. We are supposed to consume 50% of vegetables. Total quantity of meals, whatever you are eating, it must have 50% of vegetables. So 50% of vegetables and 50% of this biryani. Again, in this, how to eat? Start eating the vegetables. First, eat vegetables. Again, in that, eat 75% of the vegetables. After that, again, eat biryani. And at the end, again, that remaining 25% of these vegetables must be eaten. Why we are supposed to eat like this? This reduces the craving for eating biryani. Otherwise, if you start eating biryani, you will end up in eating a large quantity of biryani. So what are the benefits of adding vegetables to our non-vegetarian food? First thing is, it balances our food. I said, so we need a balanced food for health. All the nutrients must be in proper proportion. The biryani is having only carbohydrate and proteins. We are adding the other nutrients through vegetables, so it makes it a healthy, balanced food. First thing. Second thing, it reduces the craving for eating excess of biryani. We are adding vegetables that we are eating eating it initially in the beginning. So this fiber content of the vegetable gives us a feeling of fullness in the stomach. So craving for eating a more biryani gets reduced, or else you will end up in eating a large quantity of biryani. Third thing is this fiber content. Adding vegetables gives a fiber. So again, this fiber helps in digestion. So normally what we experience whenever we eat non-vegetarian food, we experience this digestion. Digestion will not happen properly. There will be a little bit of bloating, farting, foul smelling, farting, all these things will be there. Adding vegetables to our non-vegetarian food helps to improve our digestion, easy digestion. Second thing, usually what we experience when we eat non-vegetarian food is the constipation. Second, again, this is because of the high protein content of our food. This when we add vegetables to our non-vegetarian food, again, this constipation problem gets solved. Third thing, very important thing is the biryani what we are eating is, it is having a carbohydrate, high level of carbohydrate from the rice. Second, this rice absorption, that is carbohydrate absorption gets reduced, gets controlled when we add vegetables. When the fiber is there in your food, the carbohydrate absorption gets controlled. So this controls your blood sugar level, this reduces your diabetes. Ultimately, no food is harmful, but the way we cook it or the way we consume it makes it harmful and unhealthy. Having a proper knowledge of health, having a proper knowledge of the food we consume, and making a small corrections in this food as well as in your lifestyle helps in making a remarkable changes in our health. We can see the miracles happening in our physical as well as the mental health. Be happy, stay healthy. Namaste.